Hey guys, my name is Roland and I just bought a classic car restoration shop in Arizona. I decided to make this video and hopefully a bunch more in the future to show people what it actually takes to work on classic cars. To show them that it's actually not rocket science on one hand, but also that it's not as easy as all the 40-45 minute episodes you can see on every show on TV would tend to make you believe. I'm not a video maker, but I love classic cars, and living in Arizona is a dream that took me almost 20 years to make reality. So I just want to share here everything that I'm going to have to do to run and keep this business running. This will be a bunch of unscripted and almost unedited videos on my day-to-day work, and I hope that a few of you will find them interesting and entertaining enough to subscribe to the channel. For the time being, it's the 4th of July today, so nobody's working, but I still had to come to the shop to change the oil on my wife's car and also to do a few things around the shop and try to organize the rest of the week. So I'm going to take you with me so you can see what's around the shop now and what's going to be worked on in the next few days and weeks. Now, this company has been in business for almost 40 years, and the previous owner, who actually created this company in 1986, has a reputation for great quality that doesn't need to be made. So I have a pretty big shoes to fill, but on the other hand, I'm not afraid of working hard, so I will give it my best shot. Plus, it's not like I have a choice. I just put my life savings into this company, so there's no turning back now. Well, I think that will do for the introduction. Let me take you through the shop, show you what's around, and we can take it from there, I guess. So, it's not a big shop. It's, I don't know what square footage we have, but that's just my wife's car that I just changed the oil on. Basically, that's what we have in the shop right now. This Mustang here came in for an engine job. The engine is at the machine shop. It's ready now. We just need to go pick it up at the machine shop and put it back in the car and restart it. Pretty nice car. That will be done probably next week or something like that. This Morgan here, same thing. The head are at the machine shop right now, and from what I've been told, the brakes are pulling as well. It's braking, but the brakes are pulling, so that's what it's here for. We need to get the heads back from the machine shop as well, put that back in the car, and once this is done, then check on the brakes, and then it go back out. Then we've got this Valiant here, again another engine job. This one might take a little bit longer. I don't think the engine is ready just yet, but that's going to be done in the next few weeks as well. And this one here is 1950 Man's Jet. It's a pretty rare car. I think it's one of 28 to 29 that were made in California originally with an aluminum body. Mechanically, it's a Cadillac engine and transmission. As far as I remember, everything else is Ford. But everything needs to be done on it pretty much. The bodywork is almost finished apart from the hood here. But after that it still needs to be assembled and painted and everything. So this is going to be a lot of work, and I'm going to start looking for a mechanic to help me with that. Apart from these cars, there's a bunch of parts that I still need to sort out and organize. There's a few more up there, and that's about it for now. So that's pretty much all the cars we have in the shop right now. I'm going to start advertising more for our services, try to get more business in, and start looking for people as well, because right now there's only one mechanic, and with all the work that we have, I don't think it's going to be enough. So that's what I'm going to do in the next few weeks, I guess, and yeah, I'll keep you updated on the process. I think that will do for this video. It's probably already too long for an intro video anyway, but I hope that it will at least give you an idea of what I'm starting with and what I want to do in the next few days and weeks. And who knows, maybe a few of you will want to see more and subscribe. For now, I'm going to go back and finish installing the family in the new house. And well, thank you very much for watching, and see you again very soon.